Here is the secret of water. Drink a lot of water a day, circa 3 liters, because it makes your hair beautiful, it keeps you healthy, it can help to make you slimmer, it makes your skin good, and it is very refreshing with a little bit of citrus or some cucumber, and it's very good for your health, like I said before, and it makes you so feeling well. And drink please a lot of water a day. It can keep your illness or your sickness away, and it is very, very precious. It's a lot of percent in your body are water, and if you not have enough of it, your body will be thirsty, and that's to that point you shouldn't let it come, because your body needs so much water. Please drink enough, it's so important for you. I wish you all the best, and please eat healthy, drink some teas without sugar or something, drink vegetable smoothies or something like that, and yes, and go for a walk a day. Maybe you have a dog or you have good friends, so go out there and go for a walk a day. Yeah, and I wish you all the best. Make the best from your life, and have a nice Christmas time soon. Bye bye. And please don't eat too much sweeties in the Christmas time. So, you to be fantastic. Bye bye.